Hi guys, welcome to Myra Beauty. So today we're doing hair mask, and I'm gonna do 3 different ones. They're gonna be really simple, and these are just hair masks. You let it on your hair for like 20-30 minutes under a heat cap, or you don't have to put a heat cap on, whatever. And yeah, then you just rinse it out. So the first one we're gonna do is this one's yogurt.
What kind of yogurt?
Greek. So we're just gonna start off with yogurt. This is aloe vera gel. If I can get it out. All right, and then we got honey. Y'all know honey's a natural humectant, but y'all know I put honey in everything, so. And we got some olive oil. Oops, that probably was too much, but you know, it's whatever. And stir that up. That was too much olive oil, but all right. So that's your first hair mask. Like I said, just put it in your hair for like 20-30 minutes. Put a cap on and wrap it up and put some heat on it. Okay, that's it for that one. Now we're gonna move over to the next one. Okay, so we're at the next one. So this one is just gonna be banana, coconut, and honey. So we got like half of a banana, and if you have like a little food cutter up or thingy like I do, yeah, try to use that. We're gonna put our coconut milk in. I don't know how much I'm using. Don't ask me, because y'all know I'll just be putting stuff together. All right, and then we're gonna put our honey in. There's honey in all of these, by the way. You're gonna take this and you're gonna blend it up. Okay. You can blend it up a little more if you want to, but I just wanted to show y'all how to do it. And then after you're done blending, you're gonna pour it in a cheesecloth and you're gonna strain it, because if you don't, you're gonna get these little pieces of banana in your hair and they're really hard to wash out. So we're gonna strain this, and then we're gonna move on to the last one. Or y'all wanna see me strain it?
Yes.
Okay. And you can double this recipe if you need to. I didn't make a whole lot. This was just, just to show you guys. And this is really messy. You can use a what do you call it, nutmeg bag, as they call it. I always just use a cheesecloth, but oops. Anyway, that's pretty much it. If you want it a little thicker, you can put more banana in it. You can put a whole banana. It's really just your preference. And me personally, I would put more banana in it. But yep, that's it. Okay. Now we're gonna go on to the next one, if that's okay with the cameraman.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Hi guys. So we're gonna move over to our last one. Now this is my personal favorite. This is the one I do all the time. Again, we're gonna start with half a banana, and where am I supposed to? We got half of an avocado, and we're gonna put that in. All right, and then we got some vitamin E oil. My vitamin E oil I had it for a long time, you can tell. So, I'm gonna put some, I don't know how much. That seems about right. What?
Nothing.
Okay. Now we're gonna put our honey as usual, because I have a problem with honey. I just like honey, it softens stuff up. Be softening your hair up and everything. So this mask is gonna make your hair like super, well, it makes mine like super hydrated and like not frizzy. Just gives it like nice curls or whatever. And then we're gonna take some aloe vera. The last one we did aloe vera juice. This is aloe vera. No, we did aloe vera gel. This is aloe vera juice. So pour your juice in there. And y'all don't think this is disgusting, but we got an egg yolk. Now this is for protein. Give you here some protein. I just cracked you. You wouldn't sit there long. Don't even act like that. Alright, and then we're gonna blend this up just like we did the last one. Alright, that can use a little bit more blending, but y'all get the general idea. And same thing we're gonna do, we're gonna strain it in here. Y'all don't need to see it again. Y'all saw it, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So anyway, you're just gonna strain this one into there, just like the last one, and that's gonna be it. Like I said in the beginning, put these masks on your hair. Make sure you get the roots to the ends. Put it on your hair for about 20-30 minutes under heat, or you don't have to use heat. If you don't use heat, try to leave it on a little longer, and your hair should feel soft. This to me is the best one, but the other ones are pretty good too. The other ones are hydrating. But anyway, thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Love you.